old and I need something to rely on. So tell